Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Tutorials. Today we will be learning how to read tarot cards, how professionally we are reading. As a beginner, how you should proceed. What are the spreads you can follow as a beginner? From the beginning onwards, you cannot start using the advanced level spreads and all. You have to use the small spreads only, and even the small spreads are very easy to read. Professionals also used to read that only. They don't go and use the advanced spreads, because the purpose is you have to get the meaning rather which kind of spread you are using. So that doesn't matter which spread you are using while doing the reading. You should have the clarity, you should know how to connect with the card, and you should know the meaning of the card. So spread doesn't matter. As per my experience, I will say the less number of cards you are using, that is better, because when you are using more cards in your reading, you may get confused because you are a beginner, you don't know how to deal with the cards. All right. So first of all, as a beginner, we used to be crazy about we should go by the spreads. We are very much fascinated about the spread. First of all, we should understand what is spread. See, spread is a system, or I would say a flow, where one particular space is given some name. For example, if I will start the reading and I will talk about 3 card spread, past, present, future I am using. So this is going to be past, this is going to be present, and this is going to be future. All right. So how it is working? Whether the present meaning will get changed, whether it will become to the future? No, not at all. Now this 3 card spread, can I make it 1 card spread? Yes, definitely. What I am going to do, I am shuffling my card and I will see what is the past. Let me see what was the past energy. So this will become my 1 card spread. Next I will see, let's see what is happening in the present. This has become 1 card spread again. So this is what meaning you are giving to this position or before pulling the card. So this is what the spread is. You can use 1 card, you can use 2 card, even in the 3 card spread you can use more than 3 cards. It depends on you. If you need any clarifier, your number of cards will increase. If you do not want, that's all right, because 1 card itself, it will give you lot of information. So you should understand, you should be in a position to take out more and more information from even single card. So do practice. As a beginner, it is always advised, start with 1 card reading. How the 1 card reading we are doing? Every day we are pulling the card. So in this today's lecture, I shall be teaching from the beginning, from step 1, how to proceed for the reading. So you will remember the steps also, and it will help you in the future. All right, so let's start. So before starting the reading, what we do, we used to energize our card. I can pass through from this lamp, this candle. I can use incense or sage, anything. Now I can use my crystal also. I can keep this amethyst on my cards, on my deck. Like this also I can just cleanse. And once my cleansing is done, I feel okay, cleansing is done. So once again, what will I do? I will energize my card. How to energize? Rub your hands like this. This is your both the palms. Rub your palms like this and keep your cards between your hands like this. Between your palms, it will go like this, right? We are keeping like this, we are holding for some time, and your card will get your energy. What intention you are just trying to insert, that card will carry that energy. Or else, once again, for charging, you can just keep your crystal on your cards and leave it for some time. This is for the charging. This time I kept this crystal for charging, not cleansing. So this, my cards are ready. Another way of cleansing and charging both, shuffle. Shuffle as much as you want. Shuffling is the easiest and favorite tool of mine. Shuffle, 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 your cards will become fresh. Before starting a reading, cleansing, once again, one more thing I taught you, tap 3 times. So the cleansing is done. Shuffle your cards, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to cut our deck in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Now out of these 3 piles, I can get connected to any one of pile, either 1, 2, 3, anyone. So if I am connected to this pile, I will keep these 2 piles separately. This pile I will use for my reading. This is the one way. Another way, shuffle your card again. This is the another way I am teaching. Cut your deck in a 3 parts again, 3 piles. Now whichever pile you are drawn to, that will be on top. And my deck is ready for the reading. So every day, before doing any reading or as many time you want to do reading, you have to do it like this, or simply you can shuffle and you can start the reading. It is completely up to you. Everything is fair. There is nothing like this rule only you are supposed to follow. All right.